in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable signing in automatically for websites with saved passwords on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up your Chromium web browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Autofill and Passwords. And then over here on the right side, you want to select Password Manager. On the left side again, underneath Password Manager, select Settings, and where it says Sign In Automatically, go ahead and toggle that to the right to enable that, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.